Hello, how are you doing? My name is Mohammed Daniel. You're watching TTS. So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can do text-to-speech on Python. So again, I found this article again on Geeks for Geeks. And yeah, the link of this will be in the description box below, of course. So over here we have the file that you'll need. And before we continue, also you have to pip install the GTTS API. So to do that, all you have to do is open command prompt, or I don't know, in Mac it's a little different, but in Windows just open command prompt and do pip install and then GTTS, and yeah, I already installed it. So yeah, okay, so all I have to do is first of all get this. So I will copy this now, and I already have the code over here. So that's cool. Now I removed the os.system.welcome because it doesn't understand the MP3 320 file. But basically, what that I removed this code because it just didn't work for me, right? But it won't matter because, well, basically the way that basically the function of that piece of line was basically after converting it to text and converting it to audio and saving it to the file, it reads it when it's converting that, and after it converted it right in the program. But that's okay, I don't want that. Okay, so basically to do it, this is the text audio that you need to change, or the audio that you need to change. So all I have to do is I will just quickly do just over here and say put the text you want to convert to, oh okay, so it's already up there. Okay, I'm just dumb, I didn't read that. Okay, so now we can change this text over here. We can change anything, so I'll say something like subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Okay, and now if you run this file, this should do it. Let's see. Okay, it did it. It was very fast, but yeah. So I'll go over here and okay, I will go open this again.
Subscribe, and don't forget to like and share. Subscribe,
There
and
we
don't
go.
forget to like and share. Subscribe, and don't forget to like.
Okay, so yeah, if you wanted to see guys, just put this in the, I'll put this in the description box below. So that's all. Of course you have to import GTTS and also import OS. No, OS is already all installed, I think. So that is pretty cool, and yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.